Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to introduce one of the most important indicators in the Forex market. You can find the name here in the box as I am typing this name. Okay. You can choose this one, the first one. Now, please have a look to this chart, and you can find the red and green boxes. In the red boxes, in the untouched red zones, we enter the sell trades and we can achieve to a risk to reward 1 to 2 at least, or sometimes more, as you can see. And also in the green zone you can also enter by and after that we will achieve very good risk to reward. And one of the most important points is you can stay for confirmation, and after finding the confirmation you can enter to the trade. This indicator does not have any special settings, just you can find the name in the indicator list and use it simply. And you can find the name in the description, and as you see you can achieve a good risk to reward. Just it. And also in forward test and back test you can test this indicator action, as you can see here. For example, here in the live of the market, in the red zone you can go to the sell trade, and after that you will achieve these benefits. This is the live of the market, you can check. In all time frames you can find and use this one. Not only for gold or US dollar, for all the Forex market. Okay, good luck.